Yesterday we're flipping onto a bed of nails.
Nails?
Yeah, like a whole like wood thing with nails sticking up. And
Why?
we're flipping onto it for content. Garrett.
Of course, for the content.
It's important. You gotta step it up. Flipping on concrete.
So you're landing on your feet?
Yeah. Grab their ankles like that.
Nice. So nice back extension.
Yeah, like opens your back.
Oh, love it.
Do you want to fly? I was like an airplane.
You gonna lift me up?
Yeah.
How do we do this?
Stand on the table. Flyers, fingers forward.
Oh my goodness.
And then let go.
Wait, I'm gonna picture that. Hold on. Wait, hold it.
Don't pick up your feet too high.
Not too high?
Yeah.
Oh my
Hard
God.
with socks because then you slide. You flew.
My adrenaline's going now. That was fun. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I didn't know I was going airborne today.
Can I take a video of you cracking my neck?
Yeah. Of course.
Or whatever you think will crack. If it's not gonna be my neck.
Whatever, they can feel without it.
Let's do it here.
I'm gonna
Just
get this.
cracking your fingers as I'm right in front of me. Wow.
One last.
He cracked her pubic bone.
Yeah, that was scary.
Yeah, I'm really weird.
You go with the pressure, Britt?
Okay. My whole body's like numb. Like, I can't feel my hands.
One.
Oh
There you
god.
go. Nice. So it's a fracture right here at her L5.
Interesting.
Broken back.
Yeah.
But it's healing. It's healing. It was worse before.
That's good.
That's why we get her on traction. We could do a little video of everything. Hopefully everything cracks today.
Most of the time my neck doesn't crack.
Oh, normally she's so inflamed. Britt.
Nice.
Yes.
It cracked.
Let's go. I'm going to contact up higher to stay away from that fracture. We don't want it moving more. Then we're going to tuck through here. Take out that deep curve. Loose here. One more. Oh, come on over this way.
Oh.
There we
that.
go. There you go.
Ooh. I love
How much
that.
here, Britt? Oh, that one was just ready to go. Let's go face down.
I know one time I was doing an interview for like a podcast thing. I don't know. This guy was interviewing me.
Yeah.
And he was asking me questions while I was holding him in the air. It was funny.
Now, if I can only adjust you while you're holding me. Britt loves getting her knees worked
No,
on.
I absolutely despise it more than anything.
Any pain with that?
No.
Cool.
Yeah, the left side's typically the painful side. When my neck does hurt. I don't think it'll ever not be. Oh god.
Maybe the day you stop letting people stand on your head.
Yeah.
That might be helpful.
Drop it all the way
Wrists are
down.
good.
Big breath
Left
in.
left elbow. Kind of put that in place.
Nice. Let's go face up, please. Kind of feel like I'm a flyer now.
Yeah.
There we go, Britt. For my dismount, I'm going to do a backflip with a twist.
Okay.
Ready,
You better
go.
point your toes. Layer of protection of the sweatpants really helps.
Yeah, a little body armor for you.
It's kind of hurting my elbow.
Which elbow?
The left.
Okay. See that leg coming out? Maybe don't kick your friend over here.
I'm dead. What even is that?
What is it? I have no idea.
Is it a part
I just
of
thought
my-
I'd press on here and
I'd
see if
see
it
that.
gets better. That is your idea, yeah. There you go, Britt. Last bit. 5, 2, 1.
I haven't been lifting heavy like at all. to be able to curl like 35 pounds.
Damn, girl.
I used to go hard with weights.
Here. Big breath in and out. Perfect. Let's check this.
Yeah, then I lost all my mobility, so now I just
Look
lift
to the right.
light.
Resist here. In the front or back? Yeah, I rarely lift weights anymore. Mainly just body weight.
Yeah.
Hold here, Britt. Drop your shoulder down. Look to the left. Resist in here. Good. One more time. Resist here. There it goes. I felt you trying.
I did a lot of pull-ups, push-ups, dips, and just some weightlifting stuff.
Nice. That's really coming here. We won't do too hard.
I'm sensitive now.
Oh, you're sensitive?
My elbow's sensitive.
We all have a sensitive spot. We're almost there, Britt. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That wasn't that bad today.
That wasn't too bad.
Big breath in. Hold your breath. No help. Was it pull-ups that was bothering your elbow?
Yeah, I was when I was doing pull-ups.
Yeah. So it's this medial aspect of your forearm that is getting overworked. In particular, the flexor muscles and the pronator teres. Last one. Nice. Oh, you already got that. Come on up this way. We'll bring your hair here. Good. Breath in. And out. Stay really tucked in. And all the way back here. All the way back. Nice. And then coming up this way. All the way back. Yes!
Woohoo!
That was awesome! Yeah. You felt that one too?
Yeah.
Perfect, Britt.
I'm cracking.
You're crack-a-lackin', girl.